Hello. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to use AI as a stimulant and not anything else. So the reason I'm making this video personally is because recently I've noticed that I've been giving AI too much leeway, right? I'm using it as like a co-pilot instead of more of an assistant or a stimulant. A stimulant is better. Assistant sounds kind of because that assistant involves a lot of correction, right? It involves like delegation, which is fine, but a lot of times we're giving AI way too much delegation, and especially the thought process. And what I found for myself is the moment where I say, you know what? No, we're going to use AI for Claude, for example, right? I don't want you to just generate ideas or come up with something. I'm not going to ask for your opinion. Take what I'm giving you and turn it into something more enhanced, right? Here's what I'm looking at. Here's what I need. And I want you to close that gap. That's all I need you to do. Close the gap of what I already have going on right now. And a lot of people, a reason why they're struggling with AI responses, content, marketing, whatever, is because they're allowing AI to be the true source of it. And now that's a superpower and a restriction, because, for example, if you don't know anything about marketing or coding, for example, right? And that's a little bit too complex. Let's say content generation, and you're a fitness trainer and you want to do a video on how to grow your biceps, right? You want to get big, you want to get leaner, whatever. In order to make that video, you don't know anything. So what you're going to do, what you shouldn't be doing this anyway, but let's just say you're a fitness trainer who has no experience, but you want to make content, right? You go to Claude, you ask, give me 5 examples for a bicep growth video, whatever. It's going to give you some 5 points that sound really good. It's going to sound great. It's going to sound amazing. But the trick, the catch here is that it's going to be 5 points that everyone else has used tens of thousands of times, which is going to make your content very generic and unoriginal and uninteresting. The specialty, right? The idea behind a personal brand, which I feel like it deserves a video on its own. Maybe one day when I'm sitting in my car, I'll just rant. But the power behind an actual personal brand, from my own lens and experience, right? What I've seen for myself, is the personification of it, the unique story. That's really all it is, right? Because anybody can make a video on how to grow your biceps, but the person who has a bigger story, you can see this when I swap over. All right. So how to use AI as a stimulant. A bad example. It generate me 10 content ideas for on X for Instagram, right? Whatever topic. The fact that so many people think this works is insane. But the reason why something like this wouldn't work, right, is because that part right there, generate me 10 ideas for X on Instagram, that does nothing but it's going to give you 10 ideas from whatever it finds from a quick search on Google or the first few indexes in its own memory. It's not going to be unique. It's not going to give you anything. It's going to be very generic. It's very basic, right? It's like searching up right now how to grow your biceps. You need the same answers as everybody else. It is what it is, right? The ideas are generic. They've been used hundreds of tens of millions of times. It's not personalized. There's no real experience tied into it, right? With AI, the only advantage you really have over the massive info and knowledge it can give you is your own experience, because AI doesn't have an experience, right? AI has never done anything that it really knows. It's just a collection and source of information to make something else better or to teach you something. That's it, right? It doesn't have your experience. Now, a good AI usage is using it as a stimulant. I really like this concept, right? For example, here's my personal notes, images, and transcripts on how I created a content funnel or marketing funnel. Frame it into ideas and topics based off of these sources and some bullet points that I'm listing below, right? So here, I'll give you guys even a little bit of a deeper example. Let's say this is the prompt right here, right? Copy it, boom. Here we go. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Let's just say I want to work with X amount of clients I love framing videos with a funny concept, whatever, right? A lot of you guys, I've made so many videos about this, but you're not putting anything into your prompts. You're saying something very simple here and you're just expecting it to carry over and give you something unique. And then when it doesn't work, you blame AI and say it's terrible, but no, you're not giving enough context. It can probably answer your question if you gave it enough context and more information. So this right would be a way better prompt than whatever this was. Seems very simple and basic, right? But what you don't understand is the moment you I'm not saying put all your personal information, but the moment you give AI more depth into who you are and what you're trying to make, it can create something very powerful and very crazy, right? So basically what I'm saying here is you want to use AI to boost your original thought, always built onto, never allowed to be the source of your creation. As I just said, this idea is original. Here's my personal notes, stories, and everything. Help me generate constant ideas from it. So you're not just saying, generate me ideas based on X topic. You're giving it something that only you have. Therefore, the generation is going to be unique. Right? Chances are it's never generated that message before, ever. With something like this, it's almost impossible because no one's going to have your notes, your images, your transcripts, etc. Your stories. It's not going to have that. But everyone has 10 content ideas for whatever topic, guaranteed. So that's the main point of the video. But yeah, that's pretty much the video right there. Super simple, very basic. But I feel like it needs to be said. And I didn't know how to frame this video from a perspective of how to really show you without, this right here. This is the best way I can show you. Like, look at this compared to this. This builds on your own original thoughts and ideas from your business notes, your transcripts, everything you have. That's a stimulant. So here's what I'm thinking. Boom, boom. I have this idea on how to make a video. Here's my notes. Here's everything I'm thinking right now. Help me expand on it. That's how you use AI. Don't create the original thought from AI. So if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe. If you want more content on social media and AI and automation, if you have any questions on how to actually apply this to your business or how to apply this into what you're doing right now, any projects you're working on, click the link down below in the description, book a free call. We can sit down and talk about it and really go from there and see what your thinking is right now with your prompts and everything and how to actually make them better. So again, if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you.